My name is Ray Crewell. I'm a math teacher at the high school. This is my 25th year in the district. I was really excited today when they asked me to speak. And then when I got here, they told me they asked me to speak because I was an expert on something, which got me really excited. And then they asked me to speak on problems in the classroom. So, that's my expertise area. For 25 years, I've taught at the high school, and I feel so fortunate to teach in a district with a community that supports us. And I don't know if you understand what that does for us in a positive way. I've been fortunate enough where my class sizes have been relatively small, and relatively small is 20 to 24. And I think the luxury that provides us as teachers is we get a chance to make relationships with kids that are more than just me instructing you. They're me spending time with you in class or out of class. I get to go see plays and football games, and you get to watch your kids perform, and it's the greatest thrill in the world. And so this year my class sizes are bigger. They're 26 to 28. And I have one student who is super courageous and who made this leap from where he was into this pre-calculus class. And it's a huge risk for him, and he's fighting a lack of confidence, and he's fighting some experiences that some of the other kids might have. And it was a heartbreaking day a couple days ago because we finished class and he looked at me and said, "You didn't help me today." The reason he said that was we were so busy. There's 27 other kids, and I looked at him and I was like, "You're right, I didn't help you today. I wish I could have helped you." So it really does make a difference. It might not seem like a big deal, 24 to 28, but those are real things that are happening. And we do what we do because we love the kids that we teach and work with. And it's a heartbreaking moment when you hear a kid tell you that. And it's not about money for us necessarily, although that's nice. But it is about the opportunity to make those relationships, and it's becoming more difficult to do that. We appreciate all the support you've already given us. We hope and pray that there'll be continued support and that we can spend time with those kids that really need it. So thank you.